from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the This or That challenge for, I think it's for winter. Our host is CJ at Homeschooling Through High School. Please check out her channel and the amazing creators in the playlist. Okay, this or that. Snowball fighting or ice skating. My ankles won't do ice skating, so I guess I'll do snowball fighting. Ugly sweater party or simple holiday party. I like to do the crazy sweater parties. As you can see, I'm wearing something crazy right now. I like to dress silly. You can tell that. Traditional holiday decor or modern. Well, my decor is pretty much all over the place. I wouldn't call it modern, and I wouldn't call it traditional. I'd say it's just my own quirky style. It's just like this tree. This is pink and black tree. To me, that's not modern, and it's not traditional. My living room tree is all gingerbread. To me, that's not traditional, and to me, it's not modern. It's just cookies. And my other tree is black, turquoise, and red cardinal theme. So no, I go on my own style. Most all holidays, you'll see pink and turquoise in them. It don't matter the holiday, so it's just my own quirky style. So I think I'm neither of those. Untangle lights or clean up glitter. Well, you know, I'm a DIYer, so glitter it is, baby. You know, the more sparkle, the better. Yeah. I have been asked if my husband worked at a strip club. Okay. Filled harmonics or trans orchestra? Nah, neither of those. More like Brenda Lee rocking around the Christmas tree. Some country music singer. Yeah, singing Christmas music is more me. Music with a scenic fire or cute puppy. I have 4 dogs. You know it's going to be a cute puppy. You just know with me. 11 pipers piping or 12 drummers drumming. Well, I normally have a headache, so I definitely don't want the drummers. If the pipers do it low, I might go with them. Okay, Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Almost half my life, I've owned a small business. So I would have to defer to Small Business Saturday instead. Apple pie or cranberry sauce. Well, I'm going to tell you a secret. If it's my mother's cranberry sauce, I would pick that over an apple pie. I have never shared her recipe, and I have never had cranberry sauce that I liked, but hers is amazing. I would take my mom's cranberry sauce recipe over anything. Just saying. Eating a 2-story gingerbread house or living in one. Well, you know, I'm losing my eyesight, so I can't live in one. So I guess I'm going to have to eat it. Candy cane or chocolate covered cherries. I love chocolate, so it's going to be chocolate covered cherries. Delayed at the airport or being lost at a Christmas tree farm. I spent many years doing fresh Christmas wreaths, so I guess it would be the Christmas tree farm. All through high school, I did fresh Christmas wreaths. And we'd go to the Christmas tree farm, cut the trees down, and make fresh Christmas wreaths and garlands. So I guess it would be that. Okay, wrapping gifts or decorating cookies. I'm going to be honest. I stink at both of them. I will bake the cookies. Girls, somebody that's more talented at that can do that. I will make them and bake them all for you if you decorate them for me. Wrapping gifts, baby, they're going to be in a gift bag because I stink at wrapping gifts. My husband, on the other hand, he's a gift wrapper. A snow leopard or a snow owl. To me, they'd both be beautiful. I would pick either one. Candle burning or essential oils. Well, if you need to know anything about me, I'm allergic to scents, especially cinnamon this time of year. So I would say probably wouldn't do either. But if I had to, I would probably warm a candle that had very little scent. Goodbye Christmas decor after Christmas, or goodbye Christmas decor after the New Year. My mom, you would open your gifts, she would get rid of all the Christmas wrapping paper, and by noon Christmas Day, that tree would be down, all the decor would be put away, and you didn't even know it was Christmas. Me, I like, there are some trees and some of my decor I may have up till April, which would drive her absolutely insane. But I can do that now. My gingerbread, I like to keep my gingerbread decor out most of the winter. And some of it, snowman decor, it's out clear till April. Even some of my stuff in my bathroom, I like to keep out. Because after Christmas, it's kind of dreary and dark and cloudy here in Ohio. So I like to keep it out longer. I hope you got to know me a little better, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun to make.